Let's look into our next question. Consider the following class declaration. So here we have a class that has its declaration. Class name is demo. It has two private variables, x and y. X of type int, y of type double. Next, we have a constructor which again takes two parameters, one of type int, the other of type double. Okay, so now look at this. There are no other constructors. This is mentioned explicitly. All right. Okay, so let's go further. The following method appears in a class other than demo. So we have a method over here, which is defined somewhere else. I mean, in other class other than demo. Okay. Now let's look into this function or the method. So this demo, my object is trying to create an object of class demo. But there is one problem here. So here we have my object equals to new. After that, there is a missing constructor call. Okay. So what we have to do over here is we have to check each of the options which can satisfy and can call the constructor without giving an error. Okay. So very smartly, we will eliminate the option B and option C, both giving the same reason that here, while calling or while giving a constructor call, we are declaring the variables, parameters, int b, double q, which is a completely incorrect syntax. So that's the reason here we will eliminate option B and option C. Now let us try to look deeper into this first option, demo. Now, if you see, there are no other constructors. So it is for sure that we have to follow this syntax. Now, in option A, we are not passing any parameters to call the constructor demo, which is mentioned over here. Hence, we will have to eliminate option A as well. Now, we are only left with two options, option D and option E. Very smartly, we will pick option D. Why? Because 4 is an integer value. And here we are passing integer value first. It is taking the integer value. Next, it is taking up the double value. So here is the integer and here we have the double. Okay, that is the reason we picked up this D option. While if you see in E, what is happening over here? It is taking the double value first and then the integer value. That's the reason we cannot pick option E.